Okay, so we continue where we stopped. So what I need to do is to straighten this. I'll pick my shape tool, set an anchor point here, set an anchor point here, then double click, set an anchor point here, set an anchor point here, and double click, right? So same thing happens. I will continue where I stopped, just draw my shape, okay? Convert to curve by pressing Ctrl Q, set your anchor point here, set your anchor point here, set your anchor point here, like that, okay? Now, the more you shorten the distance between two anchor points, the more your logo will be as accurate as anything. So I'll do same thing here, okay? I'll do same thing here, continue it, continue it. Okay, remember what I told us here. If the place where you set your anchor point is not sharp, just before and after where you set your anchor point at first, all right, just double click on it and the something will just be sharp. Okay, so same thing happens here. You can just duplicate from here, just Ctrl C or Ctrl V, or you left click and drag and right click on top, then turn it the angular rotation. Okay, now let's see if it is the same thing we have here. Of course, we can use this. Only what I need to do is to do what is to adjust, okay, to get the accurate thing we need here. So what I need to do is to just drag it, okay. I'm holding down the anchor point, and each of the anchor points has two dotted lines. Those two dotted lines are lines that you can use to adjust, okay. There are lines that you can use to do what? To adjust. So I can do something like this, set my anchor point here, set my anchor point here, then double click. By doing this, you discover that you've come up with you've retraced this logo exactly the way it is. So this is a perfect circle inside. Remember, I told us in one of our class that to get a perfect circle, you have to hold down your control key, then drag. Once you draw it, then come here and set it. In a situation whereby the something is bigger than it or smaller than it, what you need to do is to hold down your shift key, then either you reduce or you increase, and they work hand in hand. After tracing it, you can just draw out your logo, and then what you need to do is to pick your color eyedropper, then pick the color, right? Return it and pick the color again for the red, all right, and the last one you pick the color for the black and return it. So by doing this, I will remove the outline. There is a black outline on it, right? So by doing this, I will just select all, then right click, and the black line will go off. You discover that we are having a retraced logo using this our rectangle. Of course, we curved, okay, before we were able to achieve this. So please, if you are new to my channel, like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. As the case may be, you can just pick your text and of course write the text you're seeing there, and you've got something. Remember, this is font style. You can just come here and choose the font style you wish to use. Just very quick one, I can just choose this. And remember what I told us about this document color, okay? This document palette, that any color you've used automatically comes here. Instead of me picking this color eyedropper to pick this color here, this color with this is the same thing. What I just need to do is to do what? Is to color it here. Thank you for constantly viewing my channel, and see you in my next video. Bye.